Hello YouTubers. Today we're doing a tutorial on a toterhome using a semi-truck chassis. So, what you're gonna need to do, get black wool, stone button, polished black stone slab. That's gonna be your frame. Let's start with the frame. So let's place one here and three slabs. One, two, three. Place another wheel. Place your black stone button, and you would also want your dark oak trapdoor. I decided to use this for every wheel well I use for my vehicles. So let's make this 18 blocks long. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Actually, never mind. Let's make 18. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And place two trapdoors because that's where your dual wheels. Let's actually finish up putting this together. So that's gonna be your axles. Place your dual tires like this with two trapdoors. Same thing on this side. And then place another dark oak trapdoor like this and like that and that, and don't forget your stone buttons. Let's add the tail lights, and this might have like rear clearance lights. In this case, we're just doing the tail lights. It might be the same thing. Add red wool iron frame on a red concrete. So let's go back to the front, and then you can make it in any color you want. In this case, I'm gonna make mine purple. You can again, you can do like any color you want. In this case, I'm doing mine, so I'm doing getting purple stairs. If you want to paint it white, use smooth quartz. So I'm gonna start with the fenders. Just place them upside down like this. Just make this cornered like this, so it can be more arrow like that. In place a 2x3 of bedrock like that. Now that's going to be your grill. Hold on. I think about like moving this back. So again, 2x3 of bedrock. So I'm going to make like a bull bar right in front. If you want to add it, in this case I'm adding it since it's going to be my truck to just drive across the country in. Since in this case for mine, I'm going to use a Kenworth chassis. There you go. Oh yeah, don't forget the fences that connect to the fence gate. Like that. There you go. You know what? Oh, I made a mistake. At the very front, just add your two 2x3s. 2x3 bedrock. And then make a 2x3 of. In this case, I'm actually gonna make this thing cornered. Oh, never mind. A 1x3 of bedrock. Because like I want to make this go up in an angle like that. In this case, I'm gonna stop right here, and I'm gonna make the stair cornered like that. And make a 2x5 of purple concrete or whatever block you're using. Just do black stained glass for the windshield. Just if you want, you can make this entire floor like that, and just stop like right here, because that's where your fifth wheel platform is going to be. And just fill in all of this like that. So like, what doors can I use? Oh yeah, let's do birch door. Like that. I'm gonna make the driver's seat and the passenger seat like that. And I'd also want a window that is next to the driver and passenger so they can like enjoy their view while they're going on a long trip. If you want, you can extend this all the way, because this is basically a semi, like this is like a hotel on wheels. In this case, I'm gonna make it slab mounted. I feel like I want to make this roof like a dome. Make it like a dome mounted roof, so it can be more so the truck can be more aerodynamical, which you would definitely like more likely increasing miles per gallon. And then on top, the rest is going to be all slabs. So like for the back, like you don't have to, you can decorate if you want. In this case, I'm not going to really do that because I'm not sure what they put in the back. And like I'm not sure what they build in the back. I feel like I'm going to put a ladder so I can climb into the truck. I'm going to make the mirrors using a chain and a skeleton skull. Like that. I'm doing the same thing for the passenger side. Like that. So in this case, I'm going to make the fenders in the back. In this case, I'll get purple slab and purple concrete. That's how the fenders look on a toterhome, by the way. Okay. red concrete, and orange concrete. That's going to be for your ambers. I feel like I'm going to select down the stairs on the roof edges. In this case, this is your clearance lights right there. Right in the back, just red. At the very back, just add the red. This layer right here will just be all orange ambers. Like, stop right here and then add the red. And just continue doing the same thing. So like on the driver's side, there's actually two storage compartments here. In this case, I'll use a purple shulker box. If it's white, use a white shulker box, like that. That'll be like your storage compartment, like that. Oh, I forgot to add the slabs on this slab on this side. For the fifth wheel platform, in this case, I'll use black concrete, and then polished blackstone brick slab for the apron of your fifth wheel skid plate. Just give you a quick tour before I end the tutorial. That's so I can just drive down the road. I'm not gonna really decorate the back in this video. Like if you want to, you can do it. I like to build like a little divider here, so I can go from the back, just rest for a little bit, and when I'm ready to drive, I can just hop out of the bunk and then just jump in the driver's seat, and I'm good to go. Wait. I always like to check in front of the truck. That should be code to check in front of the truck, because we all know that trucks have like trucks have huge blind spots. If you hadn't known it, like, it would be very, very devastating. So, thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. Please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications, please. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.